Hello, welcome to Learn Cantonese with Joy. Today we are learning where do you live in Cantonese. Let's go. Where do you live in Cantonese is 你住喺邊度㗎？你 you 住 live 喺 in 邊度 where 㗎 modal particle for questions.The answer is 我住喺香港㗎 I live in Hong Kong. 我 I 住 live 喺 in 香港 Hong Kong 㗎 modal particle for statement. Here are some more city names. 法蘭克福 Frankfurt維也納 Vienna 蘇黎世 Zurich 紐約 New York 邁阿密 Miami 台北 Taipei 吉隆坡 Kuala Lumpur 雅加達 Jakarta 馬尼拉 Manila.People can say they live in a country. For example, 我住喺法國㗎 I live in France. Here are some more country names. 法國 France 意大利 Italy 西班牙 Spain 葡萄牙 Portugal 比利時 Belgium荷蘭 Netherlands. Here are the dialogues. Dialogue 1. 你住喺邊度㗎 Where do you live? 我住喺香港㗎 I live in Hong Kong. Dialogue 2. 你住喺邊度㗎 Where do you live?我住喺紐約㗎 I live in New York. Dialogue 3. 你住喺邊度㗎 Where do you live? 我住喺意大利㗎 I live in Italy. That's all for today. Bye bye.